Hey everybody, Nico here and welcome to the Trading Setup channel. Understanding the market means stopping the guesswork, slowing down and learning to see how different instruments move, react and form their unique patterns. Many beginners look at the charts as chaos, even though every asset has its own logic, personality and predictable behavioral traits. And once you understand them, your trading quality changes instantly. In this video, I'll break down 5 instruments, explain their temperament, reactions to key levels, typical traps, and how they behave in real market conditions. Watch until the end, because understanding an asset's character is often more valuable than any technical indicator. But before we move to practice, let me remind you about the free club I created for those who want to grow systematically. There, you'll find setups, trade results from me and subscribers, psychological preparation materials, and an interactive martingale-style money management table. You enter your deposit. The table calculates the sequence of steps and helps you maintain control even on difficult days. All materials are free but update regularly, so it's better to grab them now. The link's in the description below. Now, let's get to the point. Today we'll break down 5 instruments that frequently appear in trading and are perfect for market study behavior. The first one is the Australian dollar versus the US dollar, or AUD USD. This is one of the most lively and temperamental currency pairs. Its movements are rarely random. It almost always reacts to commodity markets, especially gold and iron ore. On short time frames, the pair loves sharp spikes that look like fake reversals. But in reality, it's just its nature. Its strength is the tendency to return to average values. If you see a strong spike up or down, don't assume it's the start of a major trend. AUD USD usually returns to balance. Because of this, it's often used in pullback scenarios. Wait for a spike, wait for confirmation, enter in the opposite direction. The key is not entering on first impulse, but waiting until the market shows it's overheated. The next one is the Great British Pound versus the US dollar, GBP USD, often referred to as cable. This pair is emotional, and that's not an exaggeration. The British Pound historically reacts to news stronger than most instruments. GDP reports, Bank of England comments, even political statements can move it by dozens of pips. Its behavior looks like a chain of sharp swings. Smooth movement, sudden spikes, smoothness again, and repeat. But despite the unpredictability, it respects levels very well. When you spot a key level support or resistance zones, GBP often reacts precisely without long hesitation. Another feature is deep corrections before trend continuation. Meaning if price is rising, it can easily make a strong pullback candle, shake out impatient traders, and only then continue. The third one is the USD dollar versus the Japanese yen, or USD JPY. It is a mix of stability and suddenness. Most of the time, the pair moves logically, smoothly, and trend-wise, especially during calm market conditions. It loves long sequential candles that gradually build movement. But USD JPY is sensitive to global sentiment. Any tension, risk talk or unexpected news strengthens the yen, creating sharp moves. So this pair is perfect for trend traders who are also ready for volatility driven by global events. Its advantage is respect. For level and trend lines, the structure rarely breaks without a reason. The next currency pair is the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, or CAD JPY. This pair is interesting because it combines the commodity nature of the Canadian dollar with the defensive behavior of the yen. The result is an asset that loves long-term stable trends. If CAD JPY starts moving in one direction, it often continues for a long time. Smoothness is the key characteristic of this pair. It rarely makes false breakouts or sharp reversals without prior warning candles. A common behavioral pattern: long smooth rise, short correction, continuation in the same direction. That's why it's great for studying trend trading. But it's important to remember, oil news can shift its dynamics in any direction at any time. Last but not least, XAU versus USD, ZAL versus USD, or otherwise known as gold. Gold is in a universe of its own. It's an asset that almost always reacts to global events, tension, geopolitics, inflation reports, Fed decisions. But during the day, gold follows its own rules. It has a clear rhythm, narrow ranges, sudden impulse, series of strong candles, new pause. Gold loves false breakouts. It can break a level, sweep the stops of those who place too close, and only then show the real direction. And when gold picks up on a trend, it moves powerfully, quickly, and almost without pullbacks. It's an asset that must be studied calmly, without rushing, always considering the day's context. But gold gives the best understanding of market logic, where the crowd rushes and where the big players act thoughtfully. If you want me to break down other assets, cryptos, indices, exotic pairs, let me know in the comments and I'll make a part 2. And now some good news. If you want to see live trading, real intraday breakdowns, ready setups and strategies and settings, you can join my real-time work. I conduct trading sessions where I explain the logic behind decisions and show real price development scenarios. To get access, just message me. The contact is in the description below this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future episodes. Here, you'll find a systematic approach, market logic, and detailed breakdowns that help you not guess the movement, but understand why price behaves the way it does.